Hey everyone, it's Mike here with Landscape Business Course, and today I have an update for you on Landscape Summit 2021. And unfortunately, due to the circumstances with our local state and the issuances of restrictions from the governor, we are going to have to make this event virtual. Now, this is not an easy decision. This is not something that I wanted to do. This is something that we tried desperately to figure out a way that we could get around this. But yesterday we had restrictions put in place for the next 4 weeks, and the fact of the matter is that those are going to be extended, and even if they aren't, I know that we will have to make this a virtual event just to be safe. It's not fair to you if we have to make this call a week before the event and you already have travel plans and canceled jobs and all the rest of it. So we wanted to be proactive. We're 2 months out and just say, hey, we're going to make this a virtual event. And it's not easy on our end. We're trying to figure out, we paid deposits on venues and food and ordered tons of hats and shirts for all of you, and that's all this money down the drain. But at this point, we are just trying to do what's responsible and safe. We know that there's some local people that have said they're going to report us if we hold the conference. And so just to be safe, and I don't want to have the health department close us down when we're in the middle of an event with 200 people. So we're just trying to do this. I know this is not what we want to do. I know a lot of you are probably just like, just hold the event and we'll just deal with the consequences. I understand that, but it's just not fair to us and all of you if you show up and we have to close after one day because someone's reported us. So we're working on our end to make this the best virtual event we've ever created and you've ever been a part of. I've been a part of this year several virtual events and spoke for them as a speaker, and so I've seen the pros and the cons. We're gonna make this event very, very good. We're gonna be actually incorporating some things that we were not going to do at the conference live because we're gonna be able to have it via camera. So we're gonna be able to do things like shop tours, very in detail, like an hour, 2 hours long. Same with the Mount Vernon location. We're gonna do a whole bunch of stuff that we would not be otherwise able to do at the conference, including bringing in other landscapers live and talking to them about their experiences with P4P, the downsides, what they learned in this past year. So really looking forward to the things that we're gonna be able to do, and I'm really wanting to focus on the positive aspects of this and know that this is happening for a reason. The conference is gonna be held via Zoom throughout all 3 days, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Because now it's not going to be an environment where, like if you've been there before, you can ask questions throughout, it's very interactive. We're not gonna have that this year. The downside of that is that's what makes conferences great. However, you're gonna get a lot more content now because we're not gonna have as many interruptions. So we've already added 2 more keynotes, several more videos. We're gonna be sharing a live actual video of an offsite meeting that we've had at our local shop so you get a real understanding, things that I can't share publicly. So it's gonna be a great event. I really hope you continue to look forward to it, block time off on your schedule. It's gonna be held via Zoom, so we're still hoping to see your face and do it as a live event, have live Q&A throughout the entire event with our entire team being able to field your questions and answer them for you. Now, in terms of registration, I know a lot of people have already made plans, booked hotels, flights, reservations, and that's the main reason why we deliberated so much over making this change. I know it's a pain, I'm very sorry, and I know I'm gonna make some people unhappy by doing this. If you feel like you want a refund, by all means, send us an email, we'll get to it as soon as we can. Probably take us a week or 2 to actually get that processed, but we're just gonna refund people. Now, in terms of the registration though, if you buy 1 ticket, you're gonna be able to come live to all the events. And that's gonna be Thursday evening, it's gonna be Friday, and it's gonna be Saturday, all day long, including Q&A, including all the video tours, all the rest of it. We're gonna make it worth your while. We'll spend probably just as much, if not more time on this virtual conference as we would otherwise with our entire team, setting up things to make it really a great event. However, if you want the recorded version of this conference, you'll buy 2 tickets. So I know for some of you who've bought a conference ticket for you and your spouse, don't need to do anything at this point. You're going to get access automatically to the live and the recorded version of the conference. So how this is going to work, if you buy 1 registration, you're going to get live access for Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. You'll be able to log in live. You're going to slot that time off your calendar. If you're wanting the recording of all these, of all the event, if you want the recording of all the videos, the workshops, we're going to be doing things in Excel with your financials, all the rest of it. If that's what you want, you're going to buy 2 tickets. So basically it'll be $299 times 2. So that's how we're going to divvy up after the event. We'll be looking at who bought 2 tickets and sending you a recording if you purchased 2. So I hope all of that makes sense. If you register for the event, I will be giving updates as we get closer to the event in terms of your login details and how you can make sure that you get the most out of the event, and just still book off on your schedule. Just book off Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, and we're gonna make this a great event. We're gonna make sure it's something that you don't wanna miss, and please come live. Even if you buy the recording, coming live, you're gonna get your questions answered, you're gonna get a lot more feedback from other owners, and because it is via Zoom, you're gonna see other people, be able to interact with them, and I really think this is gonna be the best event virtually in this industry that's ever been. So that's what we're gonna be trying to shoot for. We're gonna start working on that. Again, I'm sorry if you've made reservations and for some reason you can't get your money back. It kills me, I hate that, and I'm sorry. Like, we don't want to do this, but it's something that we have to do to be responsible. I do not want you all to show up here and us to get reported from a competitor and everyone's shut down after one day from the health inspector. So anyways, hopefully everyone understands that. Email me back, landscapebusinesscourse@gmail.com if you have questions. I know we're gonna be flooded, so just give us a little bit of patience. We're gonna try to work through those. Any refunds or anything like that, just let us know. But I really do believe that this is gonna be the best event, and that one registration gets you access live Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 2 tickets is going to get you the live as well as the recorded version that we'll send out the week following the conference. Thanks so much, everyone. I look forward to seeing you virtually at Landscape Summit 2021.